Hey guys, and welcome. In this video I'm going to be reviewing Mullvad VPN and whether it is worth it or not. So currently, as you can see, I'm on its official platform, and basically Mullvad VPN is a top choice for privacy focused users, offering unmatched anonymity and fast speeds with WireGuard and OpenVPN protocols. So basically it is a strong secured features, like it has a lot of features like a kill switch, leak protection, and ad blocking. It supports major platforms including Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, Android, and Firefox. So it also comes with some price plans, like for example, we have a €5 plan monthly with no discounts for long-term plans, making it pricier compared to competitors like NordVPN, but avoids hidden prices hikes. It downsides including limited streaming support, only blocks a few platforms like BBC iPlayer, lack features, and also if you talk about live chat supports, it do not have that. And yeah, so basically if we talk about overall, it do have a 14-day refund policy, quantum resistant tunnels, and partnership with Obscura VPN. While it may not be the best for streaming or global coverage, it is a robust privacy measures consistent speeds up to 857 Mbps, and the ease of use make Mullvad a strong contender for users valuing security above all. So overall, it is a great package for people who are looking for security and efficiency, and I hope you just got to know about some facts and whether to choose it or not. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.